Welcome friends to my channel AB Infotech again. Today I will discuss with you a small Excel issue. How to remove R1C1 style. Friends, sometimes Microsoft Excel displays formulas in the R1C1 reference style instead of the default A1 style. This happens when the settings are changed. If your Excel formulas appear in R1C1 format and you want to switch back to A1 format, follow this step please. Now friends, open Excel and go to the File tab. Click on Options. In the Excel option window, select Formulas from the left panel. Under the Working with Formulas, uncheck the R1C1 reference style. Uncheck the R1C1 reference style and click OK and save the settings. It will solve your problem. Thank you my friends. Please subscribe my channel and help to grow us